Hi everyone, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In this video, I will show you how to set Google Chrome download location. Before that, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification to keep updated about this channel. So let's get started. If you are confused about where the download results from Google Chrome are stored, you can see and change them. Please follow the steps. First, open Google Chrome and then click the three dots on the top corner. Scroll down and select Settings from the menu. On the left side, click Downloads. Then you will see the current storage location. If you want to change it, click the Change button and select the location you want to save your file. And then click Select Folder. And now the Google Chrome storage location has changed. And you can also enable or disable file saving before downloading. I think that's enough. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.